Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the trending I heart video on TikTok. If you're new here on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone and Android, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So this video trend is where the TikTok effect takes your eyes and creates a heart out of it. Users are basically adoring each other's eyes, colors, and the pupils. So if you have some beautiful eyes, then go ahead and create this video trend using the effect. So let me show you how to find the effect and create the video trend. So first you want to go ahead and open up TikTok. Next you want to tap on the plus sign here at the bottom. Now you want to tap on effects at the bottom left. Then tap on search. And now here you're searching for eyes and then heart. Search. And now this is what you're looking for, the first one here, eyes and a heart. In the display picture, you have a lady with a heart around her. So go ahead and tap on that. And once you enable the effect, you'll see a heart around your face and it'll be made out of your eyes. So to go ahead and press the record button, and you need to close your eyes. And once you're ready, go ahead and open it. And there you go. The heart will be made out of your eyes. So now you can go ahead and add your text, any stickers, or any effects to this video. And then you can go ahead and post it to TikTok. And that is how to create the trending I heart video on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.